First of all, I need a ball. And I just move it. Okay, something like this. I change the color, red one. I want to choose neon and it looks like a blade ball. After that, I will add a spawn location. Okay, I move it. Okay, now I want the ball fly to the player and hit it. Before do that, I want to make the thing as simple as possible. So I add a block. As a beginner, before I make the script to let the ball fly to the person, I want to just try let the ball fly to the brick. It is something like just a simple animation. Now I will change the name for the ball and for the brick. The ball I will call it ball. And another part I will call it brick. Okay, now I will make a script let the ball fly to the brick. I just add a script. In the script, first of all, I will define the ball. Ball is a workspace ball, is the object we have made, and the brick is a brick. And I want to use a TweenService. This is a service that let us to do the animation with object. Okay, and after that, I want to make a function let the ball move to brick. Okay, so I call the function ball move to, and object of destination is a brick. So now I will make this function. Now this is a function of ball move to brick, and it's very simple. I just define the tween information. The tween information is like the time is 12 seconds, and this is the line to create the animation with the ball, and it will fly like 12 seconds, and it will fly to the brick C frame, the position of the brick, and we will play it. Okay, now let we see how it works. It's very simple, and I just play. And you will see the ball move to the brick. Okay. So if we want to let the ball fly faster, we can change the number here, like 8 seconds. And now we can retry. So it will fly a little faster. Also, what we can do is add a local like ball duration equal 8, and then here we'll write ball duration. Okay, so every time if you want to change the flyer speed, you need just to change the number here. So now I want to make the ball fly to a random player, not to the brick. And in the script, I need to add a function to pick a random player. So now I will add the function. You will see I add a local function pick a random player, and this line will return a random player from the player list. And then what I need to do, I will not let the ball move to brick. I will let the ball move to a chosen player. So I will add local chosen player equal I will use the function pick random player, and now the chosen player is a random player, and I will let the ball move to the chosen player, and the ball will move to chosen player, ball duration, and okay, not the brick frame, but the chosen player C frame. Okay, now let we see if it works. And it doesn't work. First of all, the chosen player cannot use C frame. We need to use like chosen player, because it's a player character. Humanoid root part point C frame, and this is the position of a chosen player. And if we run the code again, and we will find it doesn't work. And the problem is we use local chosen player pick a random player, and when we load the game, it is too fast to run the script. And when the script want to choose a player, the first player hasn't been generated, so there is no player in the game, and this is why the script cannot find a player. So we can just add wait like 5 seconds, and we will see it. And it works. You will see the ball move to the player and touch it, and it works. And now we want the ball touch the player, and the ball will go back and choose another player and touch again. So we need to add something here, while wait. Okay, we wait 5 seconds, and we will choose another player. We'll move the ball to the chosen player, and we will let the ball go back to its initial position. So now we need to add a local original ball C-frame equal C-frame new, oops, new, and we need to find the original position, and we add here. This is the original position of the ball, and when the ball moves to the chosen player, we will let the ball move back to its original ball C-frame, and we will do the animation again. It will choose a random player and fly to the random play, and we will try. Yeah. Okay, the ball moved to me. Oops. I think there's something wrong because we wait 5 seconds, but the animation duration is 8 seconds. It's too long, so I will make it like 3 seconds, and we will see. Okay, it works. Ah, yeah. And I need to add another sentence. Tween completed. Oops. Completed. Wait. Okay. And after that we just try. Okay, the ball fly to me. Oh, wait. And it will fly again. Touch, wait. And it fly to me. Okay, we see that it works. In the real blade ball, the ball should follow the player chosen, and when I change direction, the ball need to change the direction also. Finally, I decided to use my own idea. This is a ball, and this is a player chosen, and the ball need to fly from its initial position to the player. And what I want to do is let the ball fly a little, something like 1/5 of the distance, and then the ball will recheck the position of the chosen player. If we say that the chosen player moves, and now this is the distance between the ball and the chosen player, and the ball will fly another distance, something like one half of the distance, and it will do another check. And if the our player moved again, and now the ball will find the position of the player, and this time it will fly the whole distance and touch the player. So it is what I want to do. Here I checked the position 3 times. In the real code, I think I need to check it for 100 or 200 times, and every time the ball will fly for about 0.01 seconds. And this is to say the ball will always change the direction, uh, depends on the position of the player. So we need to make some change in ball move to chosen player. First of all, I want to test how can I ask the ball to fly toward the chosen player, but fly only like a half distance. Okay, so now I will add some new code. Okay, this is the new code I have added. And we will see that the current C-frame is the ball, the C-frame of the ball. Target C-frame is the C-frame of chosen player. And this sentence is to calculate the distance between the chosen player and the ball. And here is to calculate the target position, which will be the half of distance. Now we need to change the C-frame of destination. We don't want to use the C-frame of the chosen player, but the C-frame of the target position. So we need to add a local target C-frame. It's a C-frame of target position, and now the C-frame of the tween will be, the destination will be target frame, target C-frame. Okay, so now it should work, and we'll try that. Okay, the ball, you see the ball fly to me, and it fly just half of the distance between me and the initial position. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, so now what I need to do is let the ball fly in like 200 times. I will say local ball flying times equal 200, while ball flying times uh, 2. Okay, if the ball flying times are bigger than 0, I will do this. And I will let the ball, every time animation will play for only 0.01 seconds. Okay, and every time the ball flying times so the ball will flying 200 times. That is to say, we will have 200 check for the position of the chosen player, and every time the ball flying time will reduce on until it equals 0 and the function will finish. And I find that it is very important to ask the script to wait a little between every animation. If we don't do that, you will see that the 200 times will play in the same time, and you will not see any animation. So I add the weight 0.01 here. The last thing we need to change is here. I use ball flying times here. The first time when we generate the animation, the ball flying times equals 200. That is to say, we will fly, the distance we will fly is the distance divided by 200. And until the last time 200, we have checked 200 times, and our ball flying times equals 1. And at that time, the distance the ball will fly is the distance divided by 1. That is to say, the whole distance. This is the way how we can finish the ball by touching the chosen player. And we will test it. And it comes. I move. Okay, it follow me. Okay, it works. And I only want to add one thing. The ball will flying 200 times, and at the end it will touch the chosen player, and the chosen player will die. And we play again. Okay, it comes. Let's go. Okay. So the code works. Now the ball will choose a random player. It will fly towards the random player and follow the player until it touches the player, and the player will die.
If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. As a newcomer to Roblox game development, your support means a lot to me. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. Happy coding and see you next time.